Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into a desktop replacement beast, the Alienware M18R3 2026. Get ready to have your socks knocked off. First impressions? This thing is massive. It's a statement piece, a declaration that you're serious about gaming and performance. The design is classic Alienware, with the iconic honeycomb vents, customizable RGB lighting, and a build quality that screams premium. So, what's under the hood? Well, we're talking about the latest and greatest processors from Intel, paired with top-of-the-line NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5000 series GPUs. Expect insane frame rates, even at the highest settings. The display options are equally impressive, with choices ranging from a fast 1920 by 1200 panel to a stunning 4K 120Hz display with vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. Let's talk about the usage reviews. The performance is, as you'd expect, phenomenal. Games run flawlessly, and demanding applications, like video editing and 3D rendering, are handled with ease. The cooling system is also top-notch, keeping the components running cool even during extended gaming sessions. I've personally played for hours, and the system remains stable and responsive. Now, let's be honest, there are a couple of downsides. First, the size and weight. This thing is not meant for portability. It's a desktop replacement, and it's best suited to stay on your desk. Second, the price. High-end components come at a high price, and the Alienware M18R3 2026 is no exception. However, you're getting what you pay for top-tier performance and a premium experience. Here are some simple tips and tutorials to make the most of your M18R3. First, customize the Alienware Command Center. This software lets you tweak performance settings, customize the RGB lighting, and monitor system temperatures. Second, consider upgrading the storage and RAM. The M18R3 is easy to upgrade, and adding more storage or RAM can significantly improve performance. Third, invest in a good gaming headset. The built-in speakers are decent, but a high-quality headset will enhance your gaming experience. Overall, the Alienware M18R3 2026 is a powerhouse of a machine. It's ideal for gamers who want the ultimate performance experience, without sacrificing the convenience of a laptop. Is it for everyone? No. But if you're looking for the best of the best, and you're willing to pay for it, the M18R3 is an excellent choice. It's a premium product with premium performance, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a desktop replacement that can handle anything you throw at it. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!